with one hand, as well as vlog with one hand.
And you gotta eat it with a spoon. So.
Exactly. So we have to finish the video if I eat it. So we're not going to.
Or just get a regular corn like one of those girls had it.
Yeah, exactly. Hello.
All right. $200.
What is the price
balloons.
of balloons? Kitna rupees? Hey? 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
All right, let's buy a balloon.
Hello. He's selling t-shirts for 100 rupees. What do you say? It's a fair price that she gave us. 10 rupees.
Yeah, I have a better idea. Let's buy.
Just buy one and
let's give them out to people.
Okay.
2, 4, 6, 7. I will have all of them.
All the balloons. All right. All right. Thank you.
All right. We are the new balloon men.
Balloons. Balloons. Who wants to buy a balloon?
Who wants a balloon?
15 rupees.
No, free. Free balloons.
Free balloons.
I am the balloon man. We're going to give it out to free children today.
We're going to see what it's like being a salesman out in the market here.
Okay.
Free balloons. Free balloons.
Would you like a balloon?
Free balloons. Free balloons. Free balloon. Free balloon. Who wants a free balloon?
Give it to a little child.
Oh yeah, let's give it to.
Hello.
Free balloon.
Would you like a balloon? Balloon? There you go. Okay.
All right.
Goodbye. He's so happy. You want a balloon?
Oh, he wants a balloon.
Okay.
Give him one.
Everybody gets a balloon. There you go, buddy.
All right. Balloon. You want a free balloon?
You want a balloon? Okay.
All right.
We have 5 left.
5 more left. Let's see.
Let's,
yeah, get the
rubber
rubber band off. You want a free balloon? Free balloon? No? He doesn't want a balloon.
Balloon?
Maybe he could give it to him.
Nah.
All right. Kid doesn't like balloons.
Alright, this is a great idea.
Yeah.
Yes. I just hope they don't fly away. Yeah. But they say
balloons! Free balloons!
Balloons for everybody.
Free balloons. Maybe that kid wants a balloon. Oh, they don't want to get close to you.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think of that. They probably think I have the illness that everybody's talking about.
And that man had a mask. He was super careful. He was like, no way, get away from my kid. Free balloons, free balloons. You want a balloon? Balloon? No? Nobody wants a free balloon.
No?
It's so hard to sell things here. Even when we were giving it out for free, nobody wants it. Wow. All right. Let's see. See if we find someone else to free balloons. You want a balloon? No? Who wants a balloon? Free balloons straight from Australia.
Yeah, from Australia. First copy.
Australian balloons.
First copy Australian balloons.
First copy Australian balloons for free.
Yeah. Do you want a balloon?
Free balloons. Free. Free balloons.
Okay.
All right. Free balloons. Let's see.
You want a balloon?
Free balloon?
Balloon?
No? No, it's okay.
Hello.
Oh, she wants one. One free balloon for the lady. Which one do you want?
Orange. Okay.
Oh, she wants the green one.
You want the green one? You can have both.
All right, thank you.
1,000 rupees.
All right. Free balloons.
You want a balloon?
There's one balloon right there. 2 more left.
Wow, I feel like such a good citizen.
We're doing pretty well.
Yeah.
So like 7, how many were there? 7?
I think 7 to begin with.
Free balloons, free balloons. We're selling balloons now.
Yeah.
We learned from you.
You want a balloon?
1,000. 1,000.
How much is she paying?
All right.
You want a balloon?
Free balloon, free balloon, free balloon. Oh, yeah. He's too afraid. Free balloon. Who wants a free balloon? Only 2 left. Limited offers. Limited stock. Is that it?
We're out on the street.
Let's go to that part. I haven't been to that part.
Yeah, I see some. Over this side. This place is really cool. I really like this area.
right, let's go up here.
Yeah, there's 2 kids and you have 2 balloons.
Yeah. Balloons? Free balloons?
Balloon?
Balloon? Free balloon?
There you go.
All right, we did it. We sold all of our balloons for free.
That's how you make people happy.
Yeah.
7 balloons to the end. And then we got rid of 7. 7 people happy.